Welcome back. Welcome back. Now, continuing integral calculus. Last video lecture, I have given you some superb shortcuts. This type is very important. Came number of times in MTCT. Very important. So now, have a proper attention. A sin x, b cos x, c sin x, d cos x. A e raised to x plus b, c e raised to x plus d. And the third one, a special type. A e raised to x minus b, a e raised to x plus b. Procedure is same for all the sums. Write numerator a deno plus b time derivative of deno. Who is deno? The denominator. Who is deno? The denominator. Now, important sums. Look, numerator a time denominator b time derivative. What is derivative of 5 sin x minus 11 cos x? 5 cos x plus 11 sin x. Now, collecting terms of sin x together, collecting terms of cos x together, you get two equations in A and B. 5a plus 11b is 4, minus 11a plus 5b is minus 38. After you solve the equation, you get the value of A and B. Look, even I will tell you how to solve simultaneous equation very fast in 2 seconds. Okay, I have got the answer directly. Just now, concentrate on the type. So, your integral become a time deno b, that is minus 1. देखो दिख रहा है 1. Minus 1 time derivative of deno upon denominator. Separating. So same cut. So it is integral of 3 dx minus integral 5 cos x plus 11 sin x upon 5 sin x minus 11 cos x. Integral of k is kx, so 3x. Derivative function. Derivative of the function, log of the function. Most important type of integral. Derivative function. Derivative of the function, log of the function. So this part become log of the denominator plus constant of integration. Similarly, second sum. A raised to x plus b, c raised to x plus d. A, b, c, d are any real number. Right? Numerator as a deno, b time derivative of deno. Who is deno? The denominator. Now here we have e raised to x and constant. So equating terms of e raised to x together, equating constant together. Again you get two equations in terms of a and b. Here we are getting the value of a directly. Substituting the value of a in upper equation, you get b equal to minus 3. So your integral become 5 times 2 e raised to x minus 5 minus 3 times 2 e raised to x upon this. Separating, same, cut. 5 dx minus 3, 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 dx. So 5x, derivative, function, derivative upon the function, log of the function. And you get the answer directly. But look, theory it's good. But if you do like this, and one sum oftenly comes in exam. So if you do like this, whatever, you are sitting alone in the classroom. You are my student. How to get answer directly? Look, ये टाइप तो कोई भी सम है. So आंसर हमेशा इसका ये आता है. ax plus b time log of deno plus constant of integration. Answer is always ax plus b time log of deno plus c. Who is deno? The denominator. So answer depend only on the value of a and b. But even here, up to here will take 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But MSTCET require fastest. How to get answer within seconds? 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Look at the type. How to get a value of a and b directly? For a, up down. So that is AC plus BD upon C square D square. And you'll get a value or answer within seconds. Now look how it works. Here, up down. 20 BD 38 into 11. बाप रे 38 का टेबल किसको आता है? तो 38 into 11. 38 into 11. 38 into 11. ये सब बकचोदी चालू रहता है हमेशा. Trick of 11, trick of 10, trick of 9. I will show you the trick. What is Vedic mathematics? I will show you. For that you should have total knowledge of Vedas. संस्कृत पढ़ने का एक वर्ड आता नहीं है और चले वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स सिखाने. So 38 into 11. 3 लिखने का, 8 लिखने का, 1 carry. So it is 418. And you will get the answer in one step. 418. 418. 20 up down BD upon C square D square. 25 plus 1 21. So that is 438 upon 146. So 3. Look, you'll get the answer directly. Your numbers are big. If numbers are small, your answer will come more faster. But not in 3 seconds. Huh? So look, you get the answer directly. But there number of times, there are 2-3 options which has the same value of A. Then go for B. How to get the value of B directly? So look, for B, your standard determinant, A, B, C, D, standard determinant, AD minus BC upon C square D square, followed by a minus sign. ये माइनस साइन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So you will get the value B1 in 1 second. Fast. C square D square 146. AD. अरे AD minus 44 minus BC plus 190. So look what I am getting. 146 by 146. 146 by 146 followed by a minus sign. So minus 1. So you get the value of B directly in one step. Look, I can select a simple sum, but these sums are from textbook. So very important. Number of sums are framed from textbook. Remember that. तो इतने मोटे मोटे बुक रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. My 2-3 rooms are full of books. IT, JE, number of calculus books. Concepts are important. Everything must be stored here only. So look, you get answer faster. Now this type of sum, A e raised to x plus B, C e raised to x plus D. You can't do like this. Sitting alone in the classroom. How to get answer directly for this type of sums? Faster. Look. Again the method is same. A deno, B time derivative of deno. And answer is again same. Ax plus B time log of deno plus C. Ax plus B time log of deno plus C. मतलब answer depend only on the values of A and B. Our job is to get the value of A and B directly. So in this type of sum, A is always B by D. एक step में B by D. So here A is equal to B by D minus 25 minus 5. Look, फटाक से आगे answer. हाँ, if there are two options which have the same value of A, then why to find the value of A? Go for B. Now B again. B for this type. Again your standard determinant. AD minus BC upon सी स्क्वायर इसका नहीं आएगा भाई, फॉर्मूला बहुत पहले बनाया मैंने ये, number of years back. Now you'll find the formulas in number of books and all this. But I can show you the notebook. I have taught 15 years back and I have given the formulas to students. Now, pay attention how to get the values directly. AD minus BC CD. So 30 upon minus 3. So attack से आ गया आंसर. So always remember A time x B time log of dno plus constant of integration. How to get the values of A and B directly? I have taught you the super method, but कभी कभी शॉर्टकट बुक में देने के बाद भी स्टूडेंट they always mark the wrong options. Can you tell me why? क्योंकि पहले से टेंस रहते वो, और otherwise the books never taught the shortcut formula. They give the formula. Always remember, in this type of sum, there are high chances you get wrong answers. Sometimes the terms are jumbled. A sin x, B cos x, C cos x, D sin x, ऐसे जम्बल रहते हैं. तो टर्म्स पहले अरेंज कर लेना है. साइन के नीचे साइन और कॉस के नीचे कॉस. Then only you apply the formula. Otherwise, every time you get a wrong answer in minus sign. So be careful in applying the shortcut formula. Book they give the formula, but they never tell how to apply the formula. So that is the logic. Always keep sin x below sin x, cos x below cos x, and then only you apply the formula. Then you get the answers rapidly. Now, the third type is a special type. Now, special type. Look, actually, this type gives the answer of everything. So, if you know this type, you can apply the same formula and you will get answer faster. Now, A, B, while the previous type was A, B, C, D. You can solve the sum using the previous method. But now I will tell you the method which is given in Vedic mathematics. दोहम समुच्चय. नाम समझो क्या पढ़ा रहा है. I will explain everything. I am going to explain numerous concepts of multiplication, division, powers, remainder, everything in maths. Keep watching. Keep watching. Just now, I am concentrating on MTCET. Please keep watching and try to share to number of students. My motive is only it should reach to maximum student. Otherwise, there are number of students who are my present subscribers. They know. They know about the potential. So look, special type. Four e raised to x minus 5. 4 e raised to x plus 5. You can solve using the previous method. No problem. तो I can solve the MCQs very fast. आप बोलोगे थ्योरी क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो? थ्योरी मालूम रहने से वो चीजें फिक्स रहती है दिमाग में. लॉन्ग कट मालूम रहना चाहिए. Otherwise, I can solve 100 sums in say 30 minutes. Any level, huh? I'm not talking about JE level, CET level. But what I want, my student must be able to solve the sums. Okay, look. You can solve by previous method. Now, the what method says is this. Y. अब बोले ये क्या है, क्या फालतूगिरी है सर? अरे ये बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स है। हो गया? हुआ ना? अब देखो y equal to 2y minus y. This is simple logic. Always write this term as double the term minus the term. That is the logic. So 2 times 4 e raised to x, or directly you can write 8 e raised to x minus 4 e raised to x minus 5 upon 4 e raised to x plus 5. Now soon you'll understand why sir has done like this. Now this part I can take minus and common. Now look, it is same part as denominator. And here this 8 is nothing but 2 into 4 e raised to x. And here same, cut. Now, why I have done like this you understood, because you are my students. Derivative function. Derivative upon the function, log of the function. Derivative function. Derivative upon the function, log of the function. So 2 times so answer of this type of sum is always 2 times log of deno minus x plus c. This is one step shortcut for this type of sum. कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Whenever you see AB type, अभी कुछ लोग बोलते सर ऊपर प्लस नीचे माइनस, तो फिर भी आंसर वही रहने वाला है भाई, बिकॉज ए बी कैन बी एनी रियल नंबर्स. तो नीचे माइनस प्लस है प्लस माइनस है, दैट विल नॉट अफेक्ट योर आंसर. आंसर इज ऑलवेज 2 टाइम log of deno minus x plus c. Keep watching. These are the basics of integration. I am going to explain numerous concepts of all topics, whichever is possible for me. जितना भी मैं हेल्प कर सकूंगा आप लोगों को करूंगा मैं. My student have scored 100 out of 100 number of student in MTCT, 100%. बट वो बोल के नहीं, वो प्रैक्टिस करके. You should experience that. So keep watching. Share to maximum needy student. That is one and only one request. AT sir is always to the help of his student. Okay. Bye, all of you. Bye.